I can see the waterfall here. You see those people on top there? Yeah.
Waterfalls. There is something magical about it. The sound of water amidst the poetic flow of it falling down a rock, a thing we sometimes crave for. We travel hundreds of kilometers away to see a waterfall. What if you had a waterfall within 30 minutes of your home? Have you ever wondered how that would be? This trip is about that feeling. Let me take you to Tottikallu or Swarnamukhi Falls, just 15 minutes away from the nice Kanakapura Road junction.
Hello everyone, good morning, and it's a weekday and I'm going to go on a little trek nearby. It's called Tottikallu Waterfalls. I know when the name says waterfall, it might not be as big as Dudhsagar, but nevertheless it's a waterfall and it's close by South Bangalore. So I've just met Srinidhi Hande, who is driving in his MG Hector EV, and we're going to be catching up hopefully beyond Kanakapura Road. So come join me in this little trip.
Also on this trip with me was my cousin sister Abhinaya.
We're waiting for a minute here and then let's see. Should we go see the lake or should we see the waterfall first?
The Gulakamali Lake is in Kagalipura in southern Bangalore. It's a beautiful place where people come to the Bund to either cycle or to just spend their mornings looking at the beauty of the lake. The lake is in close proximity to the Bannerghatta National Park. And it also seems to be a great place if you're interested in observing birds. We spent some time trying to just look at the lake and the green surrounding it. After a while, we decided that it's time now for the main attraction, which is TK Falls.
That place looks beautiful, isn't it? I just love the view of the lake from here. It looks like we're in some pristine hill station, but we're in Bangalore, 15-20 minutes away from the Nice Road junction in Bangalore, southern part of Bangalore. And we're nearing Tottikallu Falls. I'm trying to figure out a place for parking. There's a big tree here. Let me ask someone. Guru, Tottikallu Falls? 1 kilometer? Thank you, Guru. Yet to learn Kannada, but I just manage with all the gurus.
It took us about 6 minutes to drive from Gulakamali Lake to TK Falls. TK Falls is a great spot to come in the monsoon where you're going to see a fairly active waterfall. But one thing to keep in mind is that it's better you schedule your trip on a weekday morning, because on weekends there are at least 50 cars and bikes. That means very little social distancing. As soon as you near TK Falls, you can see little streams flowing by. There is calmness in the air. The waterfall sounds are somewhere nearby, but you don't know where. If you go in the direction of the waterfall sound, it's a short 10-minute trek to find the summit of the TK Falls. There are people, however, who go on the left side of TK Falls to go climb the top. While it's fairly adventurous, I've also heard of reports of people dying because they slip from the top of the rocks and fall right down. And there have been at least 2-3 deaths every year. So if you're going to TK Falls, one thing to remember is that you need to be very careful because the water makes the rocks very slippery, and a lot of people have died. So please do keep that in mind.
Okay, having come here, we thought it's also a good time to go now check the MG Hector car that Srinidhi is come in. So I've always been fascinated by the big screen that they have, and of course the build of the vehicle. But let's see how it looks inside.
Hi friends, I am driving this MG ZS EV since yesterday afternoon. A very unique vehicle in terms of experience because absolutely no noise. You don't even realize that you are driving a car. You can't hear any noise of the engine. Only horn is the loudest noise you can hear, or the music maybe, right? So it gives about 315 kilometer range when it's fully charged. You can charge at the Tata Motor showrooms, you can charge at MG showrooms. Bescom has a lot of charging stations all over the city. If I use AC, the range comes down by 10%. If the car is fully loaded with 5 people and their luggage, maybe a little more lesser range. But otherwise it's very good for the city use. You can go short out of city trips as well. And quite wide. Right. It comes with a very interesting sunroof.
So we're just trying to go a little further in the car to see how the whole system is. How does it feel once you start the car? The vehicle started. It didn't look like you started the car.
Yeah, there's absolutely no noise. So
right,
you have to refer to this meter where if it is above 0, then the engine is running.
Okay.
Otherwise, it is idle. Then yeah, you can't hear anything. You have to feel it, or you have to rely on the instruments to guide you that it's moving.
Right. So now that we've seen the car, it's time to go see the TK waterfalls. We just thought I was intrigued by the car and we just saw the car now. Now, time to get inside the waterfall. Just arrived at TK Falls. It says no entry to TK Falls, but I'm hoping there is entry. No one's going to stop us. With me on this trip is my cousin Abhi. Remove your mask. People can't still see you. So, and of course Srinidhi, who's walking in front of me. Which side is the route? I can see the waterfall here. You see those people on top there? Yeah. It says no entry, there's no path. You want to try this or we'll try the other path? So there was a well there, and seems to be, of course, filled with a lot of plastics. People come here and then litter, so that's one thing you should be a little careful about when you come here. If you're coming with food items or packets that have plastic, please take your litter with you, because such a pristine forest that's so close to Bangalore, and you see that civilization has had its effects already. I can hear the sound of the stream. The path also seems okay. It wasn't as scary because somebody told us that there is a path there, but they were taking the alternate path. So far seems okay. We can hear the waterfalls and we can see little streams here. This is so enjoyable to be able to do this early in the morning and still be able to go attend work at 9:30. That we'll still see. I hope I'll be able to drive back by 9:30. But this is fun.
Staring at a waterfall can be quite meditative throughout the day, but I didn't have all of the time to keep staring. It was very peaceful for a quick morning jaunt. But just like Cinderella, I had a timeout. Not at midnight, but at 9 am. So around 8:10, I started to walk back from the waterfall to get to the parking lot. My trip was about to get over, but I will definitely come back again.
So we had a good morning trek of sorts. It's a very small hike to the waterfall, but it was so pleasant. What's the time now? It's about 8:25 in the morning, which means I have to get back to work. It's a holiday for Srinidhi, and he has about 3 hours until he can return the car to the showroom. But that's where our trip ends. Hope we meet again. I think the last time we met was in Kerala, right? We met in Kerala once in 2018 September, Kochi, I think. So yeah, till then, tada, see you, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you like the content on the video. Tada.
Bye bye.